Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my channel. In this video, I have a very interesting exponential equation to solve. I'm given x minus 5 in bracket to power x plus 7 is equal to x minus 5 in bracket to power x plus 9. What are we going to do to solve this problem? There's something we must avoid. Many people will, because the bases are the same, equate the powers, that's x plus 7 is equal to x plus 9 in their bid to find the value of x. But this and this will cancel out, giving us no solution. So equating the powers directly like this is not a good step. So what should we do? Before I proceed, I would like you to do me a favor. Please pause this video, try this question, and then when you are through, you can come back and see how I solved it. Then I would love to read your comments in the comment section pertaining to how you were able to solve these using another method other than the one that I'm going to solve in this video. I would also like you to like this video, then subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Then as you subscribe, I would like you to turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified each time I upload a video. There are many other videos in this channel that I would like you to check out. Now, enough of the commercials. Let us now solve the problem. So what I will do is to rewrite this x plus 9 as x plus 7 plus 2. So I have x minus 5 to power x plus 7 is equal to x minus 5 to power x plus 7 plus 2. Now the next thing I will do is to rewrite this. Now in indices, if you are given x raised to power a plus b, it is x raised to power a times x raised to power b. So this property of indices, which is addition law, will be applied in this part. So that becomes x minus 5 to power x plus 7 is equal to x minus 5 to power x plus 7 times x minus 5 to power 2. So what else are we going to do? I am going to take this part of the equation to the left hand side. It becomes x minus 5 to power x plus 7 minus x minus 5 to power x plus 7, then times x minus 5 to power 2 is equal to 0. Since this term and this term are the same, I'm going to factorize them out. It becomes bracket x minus 5 in brackets x plus 7, then bracket 1 minus x minus 5 to power 2, close bracket, equals to 0. Now I can equate this term to 0 and this term to 0 since I have two terms multiplying themselves to give 0. So either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Let's try with this. If I have x minus 5 is raised to power x plus 7, rather is equal to 0. If I take log of both sides, log 1 to base 10, assuming that 10 is the base that we want to use here, is equal to log to base 10 of x minus 5 to power x plus 7. We will still get 0. However, this part will not yield any solution. So let us try with this part now. We have 1 minus bracket x minus 5 close bracket to power 2 is equal to 0. So we can express this as 1 squared minus x minus 5 to power 2 is equal to 0. So we have difference of two squares here. So a squared minus b squared is a minus b in bracket, then a plus b in another bracket. So we'll express this in this form. That becomes 1 minus x minus 5 in the brackets. Let me close this bracket properly. Then times 1 plus x minus 5 in another bracket is equal to 0. So let us equate this to 0. So 1 minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. If we open the brackets, 1 minus x plus 5 is equal to 0. And so x is equal to 6. What about this part? We have 1 plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. And so x is equal to 5 minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 1, please. This is 1. So x is equal to 4. So we have x is equal to 4 as a solution and x is equal to 6 as a solution. Let us therefore check if these two solutions will give us a balanced equation when we substitute them for x here. So we have 6 minus 5 in bracket to power 6 plus 7. Is it equal to 6 minus 5 in bracket to power 6 plus 9? 6 minus 5 is 1, so we'll have 1 here. Raised to power 13 is equal to 6 minus 5 again is 1 to power 15. And so 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 6 is a valid solution. If we try the same thing for x is equal to 4, we have 4 minus 5 in brackets to power 4 plus 7, which is 11, is equal to 4 minus 5 in brackets to power 4 plus 9, which is 13. So this is minus 1 to power 11 is equal to minus 1 to power 13. Of course, minus 1 is equal to minus 1 because minus 1 raised to power an odd number will give us minus 1. The same thing here. So again, x is equal to 4 is a valid solution. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.